Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Got this beautiful Victory in for wiring rescue and audio upgrade. This bike is mint, it looks great. Can't say the same for the audio though. Check out this mess. It's the first Victory I've done this color and I really like it. It looks really good. No scratches, mint, mint, mint. Bike looks really good. But when we get under the fairing, not so much. So instead of positioning the bracket correctly to keep it from hitting the headlight, they left it loose. So I guess when the headlight goes in, the bracket can go down. So all good equipment too. PRV speakers, sound digital amplifier, Pioneer head unit, even the wiring's OFC copper. But what happened to the ground wire? Why are they both blue? And then as we go down towards the battery, ooh, glass fuse holder, no good. So we're gonna have to take that off. I don't understand what happened because this is a kicker wiring kit, so it should have came with a kicker fuse, but okay. It's just really messy. We have some live wires here. So I'm gonna have Kyle strip it down and start fresh. We're gonna reuse the amplifier, we're gonna reuse the radio, we're gonna add a DSP, we're gonna change out the speakers. So here's the before. So I'm not sure what kind of adapter they tried to use. That's not doing much of anything there. And it looks like they have to shave the top. So this is the one we're using. This is the proper one for the Victories. It's gonna fit a lot better and be a lot stronger. And we're gonna make sure to hold it on with more than just 2 self-tapping screws like they did there. Wow, not even 2 of the same screws, 2 different ones. So we're gonna pull that out. We're actually gonna nut bolt these in place. And it sits at the exact angle. Okay, fabricated a plate on the laser out of ABS plastic, and then we cut some aluminum pieces on the shear. We have the maximum amount of space now. So the factory plug for the gauges is back there. Now we have plenty of room to mount the amplifiers. DSP's on this side. Radio unit's gonna go on this side, and we're gonna mount the amps here. We're gonna nut and bolt it to the side. It's being nice and clean and gives us a ton of space. And best part, it's 100% waterproof.